We all been there, a flat tire and no idea how to fix it. Instead of calling a mechanic, let me show you the easiest way to swap it out yourself in just a few minutes. First, of course, we remove the wheel and then start changing it. Let's first let all the air out of the tire. Now that we have removed the wheel, we will take a flat screwdriver and, like me, stick it under the outer tire so as not to damage it. I will use 3 screwdrivers to remove the tire more easily. When we remove the tire with a screwdriver, we can easily continue to remove it completely by hand. Now let's take out the inner punctured tire that we don't need anymore. Now let's take a new tire and slowly put it in the right way. First, we insert the valve through the hole and then the rest of the tire. We push the rubber inside it. It is important that it stands nicely so that it does not bend. When we have nicely pushed the tire inside, now we return the outer tire. Put in 1 screwdriver and put the rest back by hand. It is important that the tire fits nicely in its place. Now the tire is ready to be inflated. I will use this homemade refrigerator compressor. If you want to see how this compressor works, you have a video on my channel about it. It works perfectly, maybe a little slower, but it can be useful.